Half-Life 2, Half-Life Alyx. Platform, Microsoft Windows, Linux. Battlefield V, Battlefield V. Call of Duty, Black Ops Neon. PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. Platform, Microsoft Windows, Xbox One, PlayStation 4, Stadia. Destiny 2. Battlefield 3. Platform, PlayStation 3. More Battlefield 310 114. The best games to play online. 9 of 12 things modern games need to stop doing. 14 of 68. The best online multiplayer games. Doom. Platform, Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 4, Xbox One, NintendoSwitch, Stadia. More Doom. 48 of 109. The scariest video games of all time. 8 of 61. The best PlayStation 4 shooter games you should be playing. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Platform, Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 3, Wii, Xbox 360. Battlefield 4. Platform, Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, Xbox 360, Xbox One. Halo 3. Call of Duty 4, Modern Warfare. Overwatch. Overwatch. Battlefield 1. Titanfall 2. Platform, Xbox 360, Xbox One, Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 4, NintendoSwitch. Halo Reach. Call of Duty Black Ops Roman 2. Platform, PlayStation 3, Xbox 360, Microsoft Windows, Wii U. More Call of Duty, Black Ops Roman 2. 9 of 124. The most popular video games right now. 79 of 465. The most addictive video games of all time. Call of Duty Black Ops. Platform, Xbox 360, Microsoft Windows, Wii, PlayStation 3. More Call of Duty Black Ops. List of all Call of Duty Black Ops characters. 6 of 617. Sony PlayStation 3 games. List of PS3 console games. Doom Eternal. Platform, Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 4, Stadia, Xbox One, NintendoSwitch. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Platform, Microsoft Windows, Xbox 360, PlayStation 3. Apex Legends. Platform, Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 4, Xbox One. More Apex Legends. 12 solid reasons why Apex Legends is better than Fortnite. Best octane skins in Apex Legends. Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Platform, OS X, Microsoft Windows, Xbox 360, PlayStation 3. More Counter-Strike Global Offensive. The best CS:GO YouTubers. The best Counter-Strike Global Offensive teams. Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Platform: Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 4, Xbox One. More Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Awesome Call of Duty Modern Warfare streamers to follow on Twitch. 10 of 20 the best Call of Duty games. 8 of 16 the E3 2019 video games that we're most excited about. Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege. Platform: Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 4, Xbox One.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.